Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know how crucial it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart. This hardware wallet is a fortress for your crypto, and Bitmart is a popular exchange for trading. By the end of this video, you'll be doing this like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and connected to your computer or via Bluetooth. Update your Ledger Live app to the latest 2025 version. It's essential for security enhancements. Open Ledger Live and navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your BTC balance. Double-check it to ensure you're good to go. Next, head over to Bitmart's website or app. Log in to your account and go to the deposit section. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully, as this is where your Bitcoin will land. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any mishaps in the fast-paced crypto world. Now, back on your Ledger Nano X, initiate the transfer. In Ledger Live, select Send from your Bitcoin wallet. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Remember, fees might vary in 2025 due to network updates, so check them before confirming. Once you're happy, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by entering your PIN and using the physical buttons. It's all about that extra security layer. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet. Your Bitcoin should appear shortly. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your assets. Always keep an eye on security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you next time.